show you eyebrow shaping at home, homemade, getting her eyebrows shaped. Looking good. Going to cut the piercers off with needles and a safety pin. We have different types of earrings. We have alcohol. We have a piercing gun. And earrings for your ear, nose, lip. We have Vaseline. Let's see how this goes. She's going to pierce her eyebrow with a needle or a safety pin. Ooh, feel like it's happy. Oh. No. No, the needle's hanging out of the eye. Oh. Gonna go in. Now she's gonna try a safety pin. Oh Lord. Wiggling it around. It's a safety pin. Oh my goodness. She can tolerate pain. That didn't work, people. So now she's getting her nose pierced with the piercing gun. Then she did with the needle, the safety pin.
Shit, girl. She can beat somebody down. They can be fucking her up and she can still be beating them down.
With a safety pin or a rope. Ready, people, new transformation. Oh, did you say you're gonna look like a duck?
Like people's ears, you know what I mean? You gotta mark it accordingly, in the nose.
This should look extremely painful.
I like to explain to some people because they're like, well, so much a little this way or this way. And I know, but it's not gonna be fast. Fast as I can go. You just don't still.
What do you think the age cutoff should be for someone who wants to get face or body piercings. 45, 55, 65. Ain't no age. It's your body. Just do what you want to do. If you can take the pain. Okay, Justice? Okay. And the thing, she still wants more piercings in her face. Woo! One down, one more to go. This one's gonna be more painful than the first one. That's how are you? Okay.
Anti-inflammatory. Slowing down too, and then not too much blood. Quite a bit. This side already gets bumpy.
Girl, your face is all red. You look like you've been in a fight. Slap that subscribe button if you want to see more. Throw your thumbs up because you like this